and you would like to know about plantation, I would like to explain. I'm a third generation coffee planter here. So we have two varieties of coffee. One is Arabica and Robusta. These are Robusta. Name itself indicates it's the tough, and I grow only Robusta.
Okay.
And this portion will be in the form of small flower buds. It will be waiting for the rain. We have extreme winter, extreme summer, and extreme monsoon. Now we are getting into winter to summer actually. And this will forward and it will be waiting for the rain. The moment it gets 1 inch of rain, it will forward and it will be white in color. It will look like jasmine. Even though it looks like jasmine, it doesn't give the odor of jasmine nor coffee. In the whole process, you will not get the coffee odor. And it will have two seeds. This fruit will have two seeds. And it will be blended and it will be powdered. Then only you will get the coffee odor. It contains caffeine. Okay? And it belongs to a family called Rubiaceae family. I'm a third generation coffee planter, and even though we have lakhs and lakhs of acres of coffee plantation in Tamil Nadu, Kerala and part of Andhra Pradesh, we produce only 2 to 3% of the world market, and 40% of the world market is produced by Brazil, Vietnam and Indonesia. We are into 6th place. And for example, this district is one of the smallest districts of Karnataka. Our main economy is coffee and pepper. This is coffee and pepper. I'll show you later. And we can grow any kind of fruit. This is avocado, we can see avocado. Even though we have lakhs and lakhs of acres of plantation in Tamil Nadu, Kerala and part of Andhra Pradesh, and we have plenty of trees also. And we are not able to cut the trees. It is all controlled by the government or the forest department. We also support for that. We don't want to cut the trees.
Correct.
Even though we have all kind of animals and certain areas are fixed as a government reserve forest. And in the reserve forest, we have all kind of animals like elephant, tigers, cheetah, all kind of animals. But the estates which are all adjoining to the reserve forest, the animals will get into the reserve forest, plantation in search of food. But I am 60 kilometers away from the nearest reserve forest. I will not come across big animals except small animals. We don't want to kill the animals also. We are all tribes long back actually, about 300, 400 years back. We're all tribes actually. And now the weather is so pleasant, about 17-degree temperature. I think I'll show you. Come. This block is about 85 years old, and average lifespan of one coffee plant or the tree is about 100 years plus or minus. This block is about 35 years. 35 years. This is pepper actually. Okay, these are all the flower buds. Actually, I have irrigated. That's the reason. Another 2-3 days, it will bloom into white color flower. Then it will wither. Then it will form into a small baby coffee. This will be of the whole estate will be of this color. It gives a nice odor. You can smell it. Nice odor.